I'm going to show you my trade log and over the last 4 years that I've run inside of our service. And these are actual trades that I took in the service where I provided the trade slip in near real time. These were in front of all of our customers and they're there for their education. But these are actual trades that I've taken over the course of the past approximately 4 years. And you can see it's a pretty good curve there and nice and tight, very low drawdown, but a win rate that probably will confuse you at 52.6%, an average win to loss of 1.62, but a max drawdown of under 6. In fact, most of the time my drawdown was under 2.5. That is in stark contrast to most retail traders who routinely either bust an account that's 100% drawdown, or they'll get 20, 30, 50% drawdown and then be in panic mode. My drawdown very rarely goes below 2.5%. It's always within another 2 trades of making a new high. All of this, super important. And then, of course, this average risk to reward, this is the extreme asymmetry. This is where I put on approximately a 1 to 10 risk to reward. So for every 1 part risk, I'm going after 10 parts reward. So there it is in real life, how one can make well over 100% in an account. Trading relatively small, quite frankly. That account is right now a little over $100,000. It originally started at $23,000. Good return over that past 4 years, a 4-bagger, and consistent. That's the big thing. All right, so let's get back to the why, how we actually achieve this. All right, the number one principle, first of all, is that we do not predict, we position. Or I'm saying I don't predict, I position. This is what we teach everybody, that prediction is not the game that we're in. It is almost impossible to predict where the market's going on any given day or any given stretch of time. Instead, we rely on probabilities and we position our trades in such a way that we put it in a position that the probabilities will affect it, right? So, for instance, if a car is riding down the road and you wanted to pop its tires, you could take one of those brake sticks and throw it in front of it, and then the car will run into it and it will get flat tires. I've been watching too many police videos. But what I'm saying is that essentially what we do is we evaluate the trend and then we throw a position in front of the trend and let the market run into it. Now, it doesn't mean it's always going to run into it. In fact, when we put the trade on, there's about a 50% chance that it will run into our position. The other 50% of the time, it will go the other way. Why? Because that's the way the market works. That is the normal distribution of the market. On any given day, it's a 50-50 shot whether the market is going to end up or end down. I can't control that. You can't control that. And you can't tell before the market opens that day which way it's going to be. You can't even tell in the morning where it's going to go. So don't bother. It's not a detriment. You can still make incredible money, incredible profits, have an incredibly strong edge without having to know that.
Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you're interested in having the tools you need to become a profitable 0DTE trader, check out the link in the description. Take care, guys.